He wants to have a life. He wants to go back to school. He wants to get married. He wants to have kids. He wants to live a full life. And he thinks that enough is enough.
I'm just a prisoner.
You know, long me and your mother want if you leave friend and company alone. You change all your name to Hotter than Killy.
People production.
You never look in the video where I tell you the truth in a youth. You're silly Billy.
Why you say that?
Why me say that? You're no bad and wicked. You're dumb and stupid.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. A pleasant good morning. Welcome to Linefoot TV. Remember, life are the greatest gift. See? Stay out of trouble. Badness not pay. People want to go check out my song name, Dumb and Stupid. See? Yeah, Kartel name mentioned in it. See me? But a lot of name mentioned in it. Chance Storm, Tammy Lee, Ninja Man. See me? Aladdin. See me? And the song was created years ago. But I amended it when Tammy Lee and Laden got arrested. I amended the song and changed up some names. See? So big up Tammy Lee, big up Laden, and big up the youth. Stay away from crime. You know, I'm here the man of peace. See? Big up Kartel. Go and hold it. Go and hold it. And what is to be will be, you know. But in this vlog, yeah, it's gonna be an interesting one. See? You're no bad and wicked. You're dumb and stupid. And alive. You should have dead, but make that still alive. Khali Jones laments to the court about lack of intimacy, like he's getting fed up. So he's been violated of his rights to have a family. You know what I mean? Deprived of his rights to have a family. Pressure about pipe. Remember the advisor said somebody speaking to the police, and he said he wants to have a family. He's young. He wants to go back to school. Something that adds up. But stay tuned. We're going to have a quick flashback. Zine, and also Vybz is sitting in the court yesterday. Vybz Kartel Art is working at 50% capacity, according to medical reports. So you know, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Just a forward from the gym, so I'm going now, go wash off and get ready for work. We got the hard working people, and you know, Linefoot, the man of peace, so we keep it real on the battlefield. Yeah, man. All right. Him mother want him, but him never want listen. When him fit there school out of class, him listen. Pitch up and corner, clean like whistle. With him gun pan him belly, does a shine and glisten. Kartel's heart working at only 50% capacity, according to medical report. So that was presented in court day 3 yesterday at the retrial, and that's what Isaac Buchanan presented to the judge. Zine, so we don't know him saying you know, 50%, and we don't know how them come to that conclusion, but according to medical reports, you know, that's what the doctor says. And me can't detect if it's true or a lie, but will the judge accept it, or will the defense go against it and rule out that? I don't know, but you know, as me say, Friday, the case I done Friday, you see me? Should end Friday, and the decision, I don't know when the decision is gonna made, but you know, it's sticky and it don't look good, and it can look good. We have to just hope and pray for the results. You know what I mean? But John was star. Sad, you know, sad and shocking. And that's why I say badness not pay. Badness does not pay. Viewers and subscribers and the youths, them stay away from crime and violence. You see what Kartel I go through, you know? Having money, how much hit song and look where him there behind bars. See, away from his families, I spend time. And if found guilty again, he might look at more time. You see me? John was star. Wicked man, but viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Alright, so next now we see Khali Jones. His representative in the hearing, you know, said is accused of the Vybz Kartel case, laments and lack of intimacy. So the man has him lack of sex. You know, him I'll ride him. You see me? But I'm going to use up palm on him 5 and them, you know. I don't need the mama. And alkaline this is the palmer. Anyway, yes, so Khali Jones has same lack of intimacy and thing, you know what I mean? Deprived of his freedom. So a part of the article where he said he wants to have family and them thing there. Give me me don't know my viewers and subscribers, but I'm curious. The other day I bring across a vlog where you have a next YouTuber by the name of remember him here? The advisor. Yes, the advisor said one of the men has gone rogue and is working with the policeman, giving information, and he wants to do a plea bargain. Now that was all alleged. Zine, but me don't know, me I put 2 and 2 together based on the article. So hear what this article says. Khali Jones, one of the accused in the Vybz Kartel case, has told a court that he has been deprived of his opportunity of intimacy and to create a family. Zine, he has been deprived, of his intimacy and to create a family. Zine, so all that some of viewers and subscribers, listen to this what the advisor said the other day on his vlog. When he said there was one of the person speaking to the police, but nobody knows who is who. But me I put 2 and 2. I wonder for Khali Jones. Listen to this.
The cartoon is not accepting guilt for any of the things that he has done. And he is quite prepared to drag down every single one of them with him into the abyss.
But in a real life, I saw badness thing and gangster thing, if you're a man do the act and the crime, and don't do the time together, when I just hold it together and don't snitch, don't talk, don't give up, don't leak, don't squeak, but each to their own.
He is still fairly young. He wants to have a life. He wants to go back to school. He wants to get married. He wants to have kids. He wants to live a full life. And he thinks that enough is enough.
He's still fairly young. He wants to go back to school. He wants to have a family. He wants to have kids. He wants to go back to normal life, and enough is enough. If nobody know who, well, advisor just drop a clue.
Nobody knows who this individual is. It's only about 7 people in this entire world who knows. The Prime Minister does not know. And let me tell you, Judge Legosites right now don't know.
And the advisor, the easy, that the one said, nobody don't know, the Prime Minister don't know, not even Judge Legosites. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, here, that was a vlog I did quite a few days ago. But the original vlog came from the advisor. Just type in advisor on YouTube and you will hear him and get the information. So one of the men are speaking, working with the police, plea bargain, because he's still fairly young. He wants to have kids, a family. And look what the article stated. The article said, Khali Jones said he has been deprived of his intimacy and to start a family. Viewers and subscribers. Well, pressure about pipe, I don't know, but it looks sticky. And tricky. Yeah, man. Well, let me know on the thing. Seen? Bless the love. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Jano Star. Yes, my people, I don't know how to say a thing there, Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Zine, the advisor, you can go over his page if you want to hear the full breakdown of what he was saying. You know what I mean? Relating to the person that is speaking to the police. We don't know if it's Khali Jones, but this sounds too close. Zine, where Khali Jones is saying he wants to have a family. Zine, and the advisor was saying, the person is saying that he wants to go back to school, he wants to, have a family, and etc. Something adds up. But let me know what you think. And these are all alleged. Zine, but I don't know. I love what saying. Don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell, and January is sad and stressing on the person, yeah, man. Vybz Kartel. One wallet papa. So you go, Yeah, man. Until the youths again, I am reiterating it again. Stay away from crime. Badness no pay. If you do the crime, be prepared to do the time. Stay away, walk away. If you mix up with people, you're gonna get blamed. Show me your company, tell me who you are. You see me, I say? Yeah, if you hang around with gunman, you're gonna be branded as a gunman. If you hang around lean people, funny people, fish, you're gonna be branded as one. You see me, I say? Hang around thief, you're gonna be branded as a police, you're gonna look at you as a thief. Or dirty corner boy, you're gonna be branded as a corner boy and a corner girl. So think before you act. Think about the company that you're hanging around and associate with. That's what I say. Better be by yourself and be called a nerd and antisocial. More than mixing up with the crowd and you don't know who is who. You lose your life, go to prison. But that's the truth. Blessed love.
You're bad and wicked, you're dumb and stupid. Let me say, you better pray and ask God to forgive.